This is the 2022 Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid. Last year we purchased this car in November of 2021 for $38,246. Since then we've received a $6,200 federal rebate that is unfortunately no longer available due to the Inflation Reduction Act. So today we're going to be checking out all of its features and doing a full 1-year review. Let's get started.
The Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that is combined 261 horsepower with the electric motor. It features all-wheel drive. Stepping inside the front of the Tucson features enough space for a very tall person, and the passenger seat completely folds flat.
When you start up the car, you get the typical Hyundai chime.
The steering wheel controls are tactile and responsive. You can enable adaptive cruise control to keep you centered in the lane, as well as choose between 4 different options for maintaining distance behind the car in front of you. You could also enable a speed limit warning, in which a camera mounted behind the rearview mirror will monitor for speed limit signs. Multimedia options include Bluetooth, as well as wireless, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. You can choose between Bluetooth options by selecting Bluetooth on your phone and selecting CarPlay to enable CarPlay. The screen is quick, bright. However, on plenty of occasions, I have seen this screen when it is not connected and then will magically reconnect. The most helpful menu I've found is within Hyundai PHEV menu. This will provide a driving history, a record of the miles you've driven and the range and the MPG for each of those trips. The transmission tunnel has button selectors, so you simply press D to go into drive. In terms of ground clearance, the Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid offers 8.3 inches of clearance.
Came standard with 19-inch rims, which are absolutely beautiful for an SUV. I found no reason to upgrade them. They have Michelin tires, 235 55 R19s. They've been held up really well so far. Still have good amount of tread. You can always find a lot of information in the door handles here. So you can see the tires, they're 235 55 R19s, and the proper inflation is 35 psi. This is the normal driving position. And still, with the baby seat, have enough space to get through.
The Tucson has 39.5 inches of rear legroom and 38.7 inches of headroom.
So this one tucks away here, this middle one, which is much longer, right? But this one is much shorter, and when we have our car seat cover, my wife has found it difficult to reach back here, which is sitting back here, including out this far. Down at the bottom here, there are two USB-A's, and there's one more up front, and that seems to be the only option. There are no USB-C's. I would like to see there be at least one USB-C option in the car for. So adjustable vents. This particular map pocket has gotten a little stretch over the past year.
Hyundai does technology really well. You could start and unlock the car from your phone, or as I like to do here, using my watch. To unlock the car, simply click unlock, type in your code, wait a second, and the car will then unlock.
So this rear cover is reversible and even comes with a sticker on it that mentions care cleaning, that either side could be swept, vacuumed, shaken out, or washed with soap and water, but do not use petroleum-based cleaner. Make sure the tray is completely dry before reinstalling the vehicle. Label only to be removed by customer.
Recently, I discovered this little indicator that says max load of 130 pounds. I have used much more than that without any issue. I'd say we've had to 400 pounds in the rear cargo area without issue.
Charging cable, extra bags, rocket straps. Also came with a higher mobility kit. Charging cord came with the car. This is a 120 level 1 charger. Jumpstart this car. You would connect here to the negative, flip this up, connect to the positive there, and jumpstart it. But I've never tried to jumpstart and plug in before. Next hidden item here on the left side, driver's side. You can see there's a
icon.
This little storage bin. If you pump it out, there's a tag that says fuel filler door manual release handle. So
there are 4 tie-down straps in the cargo area.
another similar cubby on the passenger side that you can pop out. I've chosen to store the included first aid kit. This I believe is a dealer option that we paid for. That with another tie hook there. Extra little gap space.
There's a fixed rear window with fixed interval wiper and defroster, body colored power heated cider meters with manual folding and turn signal indicators. The retractable cargo cover can adjust to 2 different settings to allow the rear seat to recline. Gas-powered Tucsons allow for the cover to be stored underneath the cargo area. However, due to the battery, there is no place for that in the plug-in hybrid.
The next fun fact is for the level 1 charger that's included in the car, comes preset at 6 amps. So it'll read with a 6 on it. And at 110 volts times 6 amps, this is charging at, say, 0.6 kilowatts. So what you're going to want to do is hold it until it starts flashing. Then you could channel through the presets of 6 amps, 8 amps, 10 amps, 12 amps. When you get to 12, hold it for a few seconds, and then it will lock onto the 12 amp set. And this will then charge the car at 10 hours rather than 20 hours.
The charging door is located on the passenger side. Simply open it up, insert the charger, and ensure the top part clicks inside.
The screen will read 6 hours, 15 minutes to charge at 60%. So that's going to take, at this estimate, more than 10 hours, but it is 1.2 kilowatts, which is, again, 12 amps times at least 100 volts. So right now it's getting 100 volts, or a little less than the 6 amps. To stop the charging in progress, you will need a key. Simply press unlock, you'll hear a little unlock, then you could remove the charger safety. The other option from a level 1 charger is a level 2 charger. I've covered this video before as well on the Pulsar wall box. Go check out that video right here. But you'll be able to see a clear difference. Now that we're at 62%, it's now charging at 7.3 kilowatts rather than the 1.2 we were seeing before on the level 1 charging. And now we see a remaining time of 1 hour from 62% to 100%. Or 55 minutes. We're up to 7.3.
So, after 1 year and over 13,000 miles, we are so happy we bought this Tucson plug-in. It has been all over the country. The range has been really great between fill-ups. It looks great in front of our house. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for the next video.